Hi, I'm Pat Pearson. For the 2021 virtual convention, I'm presenting How to Transmute Self-Doubt into Self-Respect with Cognitive Behavioral Hypnotherapy, or CBH. I'll be telling you the story of the starving woman. The story will illustrate for you how step-by-step CBH techniques identify and replace distorted feelings and beliefs. I'll share with you some metaphors, visualizations, and at-home practice that increase your client's confidence and buy-in. And finally, how multiple session programs improve client outcomes, but also their satisfaction. Increased satisfaction equals increased referrals. That's very pleasing. The presentation will benefit anyone interested in how CBH might be useful in their program or in their services. I look forward to sharing this presentation with you. I'm Pat Pearson. Thank you.